my dear colleagues, we all know that huge crowd is the reason for the nice gathering here. We are here to celebrate Teachers' Day today and given them our heartily for their hard efforts in making our nation's future. Today is the 5th of September and on this day we celebrate Teachers' Day every year with lots of joy, happiness and enthusiasm. First, I would like to thank my class teacher for giving me such a big opportunity to speak here on this great occasion. My dear friends, today on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to give a speech on the importance of teachers in our life in English. The 5th of September is celebrated as Teachers' Day all over India every year. 5th of September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great scholar and teacher. In his later life, he became the Vice President of the Indian Republic and then the President of the Indian Republic. Students all across the country observe this day to pay respect to their teachers. It is truly sad that teachers are the backbone of our society. They play a great role in building up students' characters and shaping them to become ideal citizens of India. Teachers teach students very carefully and sincerely, just like their own children. It is well said that teachers are great grandparents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers shape their character and make the future bright. Thus, we never forget to ignore them. We always respect and love them. Our parents are responsible for giving us love and quality care. However, our teachers are responsible for making the whole future bright and successful. Their continuous efforts let us know the importance of education in our life. They are the source of inspiration to us, which helps us to go ahead and get success. They motivate us to study by giving examples of great personalities. Worldwide, they make us so strong and prepared to withstand any obstacles of life. They become full of immense knowledge and wisdom, using which they nourish our lives. Come on, my dear friends, say, our respected teachers, we are always grateful to you for all you do as my dear friends. We should always obey our teachers' orders and follow their act of India. In the end, I would like to say a poem for the teachers in Hindi. जब पहला पद पढ़ा विद्यालय में तब मैं गौरव करना था। मुझे भी शिक्षा ग्रहण करके एक अच्छा इंसान बनना था। हाँ, साथ दिया मेरे शिक्षकों ने और सिखाई हर नई बात मुझे। अपनी लिखी कुछ पंक्तियों में मैं नमन करूंगी आज भी कि तेरा उपकारों को ए अध्यापक हर जन्मों तक न भूलेंगे। याद आएगी बहुत तुम्हारी जब कामयाबी का झूला झूलेंगे। जीने की जो को शिक्षा देता कर देता कल्याण। शिक्षक तो होते ऐसे जैसे हो भगवान। किस्सा जिंदगी का कभी शुरू ही न हुआ होता। किस्सा जिंदगी का कभी शुरू ही न हुआ होता अगर जिंदगी को जिंदगी बनाने वाला गुरु ही न हुआ होता। थैंक यू। To all a very happy Teachers' Day on 5th September. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year. Teachers teach us good manners and make our future bright. Without teachers, we cannot imagine a good life. Teacher is like a mother. Our knowledge is incomplete without a teacher. A good teacher is like a candle. Teachers plant seeds of knowledge that grew forever. Books give us knowledge, but teachers
Day. I wish you happy Teachers Day. Teachers are important in our lives. They give us good lessons, especially for students. Teachers teach habits. Teachers make every effort to make learn good things. Teachers to be good, so many students in our way.
इसके बाद क्लास 9 से टिंकू।